Is your car losing power and seems to be running in slow motion? The P0011 code has the answer. Alright, let's get to the point. The P0011 code means there's a problem with the engine's variable valve timing system, specifically with the camshaft timing on bank 1. If you're wondering what the heck that is, don't worry, I'll explain. This code pops up when the engine's timing system isn't working as it should, which can cause the engine to not perform optimally. Now, what is this famous camshaft timing? Basically, the camshaft is responsible for opening and closing your engine's valves at the exact right moment. Timing refers to how the position of the camshaft is adjusted to optimize the engine's performance. This system is designed to adapt to different driving conditions, helping the engine perform better at both low and high RPMs. If something goes wrong here, the engine can lose power, become less efficient, and start acting strange. What causes the P0011 code? Let's break it down a little more because this code isn't some ghost that just appears out of nowhere without explanation. Here are the most common causes. Low or dirty oil. The variable valve timing system relies on oil pressure to move the components that adjust the camshaft. If the oil level is low or the oil is dirty, there won't be enough pressure, and the system won't be able to adjust properly. It's like trying to move something heavy with a broken tool. Faulty camshaft position sensor. This sensor tells the engine computer the exact position of the camshaft. If it's failing or miscalibrated, the computer won't know whether the timing is correct or not, and will throw the P0011 code. It's like having a GPS that tells you you're somewhere, but doesn't actually know where you are. Clogged or faulty camshaft timing control valve. This valve controls the flow of oil to the camshaft timing system. If it's clogged or not working properly, the system won't be able to adjust on time, and the engine will start having issues. Basically, it's like a traffic light that won't change and leaves you stuck in traffic. Worn or loose timing chain or belt. The timing chain or belt synchronizes the camshaft with the crankshaft. If it's loose or worn, the valve timing will be off, which can lead to incorrect timing. This is pretty serious because it could affect the engine's overall performance. Issues with the engine control unit ECU. In some cases, the problem could be with the ECU itself, which might misinterpret the data and throw the P0011 code even if there's no real issue. But as always, this is the last thing to check after ruling out everything else. How does the car feel with the P0011 code? It's pretty easy to tell something's wrong. The engine loses power, especially during quick accelerations. The car has hard starts. The engine feels sluggish, like it's struggling to keep up. You might hear strange noises from the engine, like metallic sounds. Fuel consumption could increase. In some cases, the check engine light comes on and the car might go into limp mode. How do you fix it? Don't worry. Most P0011 issues can be fixed without having to sell your car. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix it without stress. Check the oil level and quality. If it's low or dirty, change it. Make sure to use the oil recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Inspect the camshaft position sensor. If it's damaged, it might need to be replaced. Also, check the wires and connections for any signs of wear. Inspect the camshaft timing control valve. Sometimes a simple oil filter change or cleaning the valve can solve it. If it's clogged, clean it or replace it. Check the timing chain or belt. If it's loose or worn, you'll need to replace it. This is a job that typically requires a professional mechanic. Check the engine control unit, ECU. If everything else looks good, the ECU might need to be recalibrated or updated. Clear the code with a scanner and test the car. After fixing the issue, clear the code and test the car to see if it comes back. If it doesn't, problem solved.